Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.1 question number 3. What is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. Let us try. Now see here, what is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? The sum of the measures, the sum the sum of the measures the sum of the measures sum of the measures the sum of the measures the sum of the measures of the angles of the angles of a convex quadrilateral of a convex quadrilateral quadrilateral convex quadrilateral is 100 is 360 degree is 360 degree as 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 a convex quadrilateral convex quadrilateral convex quadrilateral as a convex quadrilateral is made up of two triangles made up of two triangles made of made up is made up of two triangles. Here you see, this is ABCD is a convex quadrilateral, right? Here ABCD is a convex quadrilateral is a convex quadrilateral. ABCD is convex quadrilateral. Here ABCD is a convex quadrilateral, and if we make a diagonal AC and if we make if we make a diagonal AC make a diagonal AC if we make a diagonal AC then is made up of two triangles, then it is made up of it is made up of two triangles made up of two triangles made up of two triangles, that is triangle ADC ADC and triangle triangle ABC. A, B, C. Right? Right? And you know that the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Here there are two triangles in this quadrilateral, right? Therefore, we can say this that the sum. Therefore, we can say therefore therefore we can say therefore we can say that therefore we will say that the sum of the measures that the sum of the measures sum of the measures of interior angles of a quadrilateral some of the measures the interior angles of a quadrilateral some of the measures of the angles of interior angles of a quadrilateral is same as the same as the sum of the angles sum of the angles of the two triangles, right? Sum of the angles of two triangles. Here we find that there are two triangles ADC and ABC. The sum of the angles of a triangle of this triangle is 180 degree and the sum of the angles of this triangle is 180 degree. A total is 360 degree, right? Therefore, therefore, therefore the angle, therefore the angles of this quadrilateral of this quadrilateral is 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree 360 degree, right? Therefore here we find that the sum of the measures of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree as the quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles and you know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore here are two triangles, one is ADC and another is ABC. Therefore the angles of this triangle is 180 degree and the sum of the angles of the triangle ABC is 180 degree. Therefore the sum of the angles of this quadrilateral is 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is 360 degree. We have found here in the case of convex quadrilateral. Now we shall make a non-convex quadrilateral and try it again. Let us find what you get if we take a non-convex quadrilateral, right? Let us take once again. Here we are taking a non-convex quadrilateral and see what happens. Let us take a non-convex quadrilateral. We are taking a non-convex quadrilateral like this. Here we have taken a concave quadrilateral. This is a concave quadrilateral. This is a concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. Here you see, this is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and D. Here you see, if you draw this diagonal DB, this is exterior of this figure, right? Of this quadrilateral. Therefore, it is a concave quadrilateral. If you draw the diagonal AC, then this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Then we can say that we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Therefore, ADC has angle of 180 degree, and triangle ABC has the sum of the angles is 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that the sum of the angles of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is 360 degree. Right? Let us take concave quadrilateral. Here we have taken a quadrilateral. Here we have taken a here we have taken here we have taken a concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. If we draw the diagonal AC, if we draw the diagonal AC, then the concave quadrilateral, the concave quadrilateral, the concave quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, that is triangle ABC, and triangle ADC, right? Therefore, sum of the angles of the quadrilateral ABCD. Therefore, sum of angles of concave quadrilateral is equal to sum of angles of triangle ABC and triangle ADC and you know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, the angles of this triangle, sum of the angles of the triangle ABC is 180 degree. And the sum of the angles of the triangle ADC is also 180 degree. When we add this one, we are getting 360 degree. Right? Therefore, you can say that The sum of the angles of a concave quadrilateral is also 360 degree, right? Therefore, we can say, therefore, therefore, we can say that that the sum that the sum of the angles, sum of the angles, sum of the angles of a convex and a concave and a concave quadrilateral 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 is 360 degree, right? Here we have proved that the sum of the angles of a concave convex quadrilateral and also a concave quadrilateral is always 360 degree. The question is, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? The answer is yes. Yes, this property, yes, this property, this property also hold, also, this property also hold if the quadrilateral is not convex. The quadrilateral, if the quadrilateral, if the quadrilateral, if the quadrilateral is not convex, is not convex, not convex, that means you can say that the sum of the angles of a concave quadrilateral and also a concave convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.